Hi Gabby. The task for the next 2 lessons is to read through the information about civil society responses to climate change. The reading's in Cognity, but I will read it to you in a second in another file. Then there's a section about Bangladesh. And once you've read through all that information or listened to my recording of it, I've put you in a group of 4 students and you're going to write an essay together. The essay title is Civil Societies Offer Bangladesh the Best Opportunity for Adapting to Climate Change. Discuss. Inside the essay you will need an introduction that describes the location of Bangladesh, outlines the climate change situation in Bangladesh, and defines key terms such as vulnerability, mitigation, adaptation, climate change. Also, at the end of the introduction, there should be some sort of sentence that describes the structure of the essay. Secondly, you will need to have 2 main body paragraphs that explain how civil society action in Bangladesh is helping people to adapt to climate change. Third section, you need another 2 main body paragraphs that suggest that civil societies are not the best option. Government action could be considered as a better option, or intergovernmental action. For example, the United Nations, the Sustainable Development Goals, or the World Bank could also be better options than leaving it to charities. A good answer might explain the negatives in both of these approaches as well. The conclusion, finally, considers the PPPS concepts, place, power, possibility and scale, and actually gives an answer to the question. So those 4 things you need to divide up however you like within your group. So in your group is Daniel Quinn, Fatima and John Kim. Okay, you should aim to have a group chat or some sort of video conference if you're able to set that up for yourselves at an agreed time. That would be good. Or you can ask Mr. Fairbank or I to set this up for you if you guys are finding it too difficult. If this task seems like it's too much interaction for you or it's going to be too difficult, please just let me know and we'll work something else out. All right. The essay needs to be submitted by the end of the day on Tuesday the 21st.